Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Leya and today I'm switching it up for you guys. And so today I'm going to give you guys a get ready with me. And I'm starting with my makeup. So of course I'm going to conceal my eyes with the ColourPop shade Deep Golden 60. I believe that's what it is. Everything will be linked down below because you guys know I really never know what I'm talking about, and I have to do these freaking voiceovers like 3 or 4 times. I'm gonna try to get it done correctly in one sweep. So anyways, I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. Everything that I'm doing for the makeup portion is pretty much in real time. I'm not gonna speed anything up for you guys, okay? So next, I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to pop in that red shade right above the lid. So I guess in the crease area. And I'm not making this super dark because I don't want a really dramatic eye. I was going out for the night. It was going to be dark in the club anyways. And I just didn't want that. Like, y'all know, like when you could go off, but you choose not to because you don't want to make everyone else cry and be jealous. That's pretty much the vibe that I was on. But anyways, then I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. And I'm going to take the color Fulani. Hope I'm saying that right. Fulani. Yeah. And I'm going to pop that directly over the red. I'm not going to bring it out as much, but I am going to go over the red, but closer to the lid. I mean, you guys can see what I'm doing. Like, I'm just putting it over the red to just deepen the color. And I'm going to take my time with this, honestly, because I had so much time to kill before going out. So you can really just take your time. I mean, if you're in a rush, then you may not want to do eyeshadow at all, but it's fine. Then I'm going to go into my ColourPop single shadow in the shade Paper Tiger. And this is a mustard yellow. It looks super vibrant on camera, I guess because of the lights. But this is just a regular old mustard yellow. And I'm just going to pop that on the lid. And I've been really loving these kind of looks where I just put one solid color on the lid and I kind of don't blend anything into it, but it's a highlighted color. If you guys have been watching my videos, then you know what I'm talking about. My date night video look, this is exactly what I'm talking about. It's a completely different vibe, but essentially it's the same thing. So the next, I'm just going to go back into that red shade from the BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going to pop that on the outside of the lid just to make everything come together. And, you know, your girl's looking good. Then I'm going to take my Colossal Volume Express Mascara. You guys know this is my favorite mascara. I use this in every single tutorial. I have multiples of these because I don't know what I would do if this mascara did not exist. Like, I'm sure I would find another one, but I don't want to find another one. So I'm going to use this one because this one is my favorite one. Like, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Wow, I'm taking a really long time. Okay, cool. Boom. Your girl has her lashes on. I'm looking so good. You guys see them? You guys see those lashes? Bomb as hell, okay? You guys know I'm going to line my lips with the Chestnut Lip Pencil. Ooh, wait, hold on. My lips, they was a little dry. It was a little dry. You know when you start to get that white line on them and you know your lipstick not going to lay right? That's what happened. So I'm going to just line my lips, you know? Nothing special to this. You could overline. You could underline. You could do whatever. You don't even have to line. But this is what I'm going to do. So then I'm going to go into my NYX Lingerie. What is this? A liquid lipstick? Yeah, and this is in the color After Hours. It's kind of like a mauve brown. Like it's a brown, but it's mixed with gray, so it's not as dark. And I'm just going to use this on the rest of my lips to kind of blend with the lip liner. But you see how juicy my lips look? Don't they look juicy? They look pretty juicy. And yes, I am popping my lips together. I'm making that like that sound because I needed it to blend. Ooh, look at that. Then I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick, same lingerie style, but this is in the color Corset. I've used this so many times on my channel. I love it. And I'm just gonna pop that right in the center of my lips just to add a little bit of a gradient, because I just didn't like how flat it looks. But this right here is just my favorite lip combination. I freaking love this combo. My lips just look so good. I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. deep, I think it's a deep blush palette, and I'm just gonna use that really bright pink tone to bring some color back into my cheeks. You guys know I love blush. Blush is my thing. It makes me happy. Yeah. Ooh, you see me? Y'all see that face? Feeling myself. Then I'm gonna go into one of my old faithfuls, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm gonna use the color Sunray, which is like it's not a yellow gold, but it's like a true gold. Like, it's not a rose gold, but it's not a yellow gold. I don't know, it's a gold, but it makes me just look wet. And I had to switch to a smaller brush so I could really concentrate that highlight, because the bigger brush just was not working for me. But y'all see that? Like what I'm talking about? Like, it just makes you look so wet. And I just put that on my brow bone, which I rarely ever highlight my brow bone. I don't know why, but I just don't. And the center of my nose, right in between the eyes, and then right on the tip of my nose. All the regular places that I usually highlight, that's where I put this highlight. So nothing special. I just like the look that it gave me. Okay. Now time for the wig. Do y'all see those edges? Look at those edges, nice and shiny. They shining. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, so now we're gonna go on to the hair. The makeup is done, and I'm gonna take my wig. I didn't show you guys in the last video, but like, it's just a regular wig, yaki textured wig, 3 combs, and I'm just gonna slap that on. And I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer because I've been wearing this wig for like a week or two. You know, some of the concealer started to go away, so I'm just gonna blend that back into my natural hairline and just freaking lay this wig. So you can use a liquid concealer, powder concealer. I'm actually using my contour palette from Sephora, and I'm using the, I guess, like the more tan shades on the bottom row. That just works for my skin tone. It doesn't completely match my skin tone because it's supposed to be lighter, but that's just what I chose. And I'm just, you know, relaying my edges. Can't go wrong with that. And I'm just making sure this wig is looking right because I was going out to party. This just isn't like a fake get ready with me. I was literally getting ready to go somewhere, so I had to make sure everything was looking good. So I'm just flat ironing the hair, giving it a little bump. And I believe I always keep my flat iron on like between 380 to 390 degrees. I don't like to ever go up to 400, especially because y'all know this wig, a wig. You know this wig is synthetica all the freaking way, and so we not doing that. But I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy the music right now because honestly, this whole part is just self-explanatory. I already put up a separate wig about I cannot speak. I just put up a separate video about this wig, a whole review on it, how I styled it the first time, and so I will put that up in the cards, and I will also link it down below. Okay, now that my hair is done, I'm gonna move on to the outfit. So this outfit is just super simple, casual, going out. So those heels I got are from Aldo. Those heels are like maybe 2 years old, so I doubt they have them. The jeans, I have no idea where they're from. I believe they're from no, let me not even say it because I have no idea where they're from. And then the sweater is from Pretty Little Things. Yes, it says Harlem on it because that is where I am from. I'm from Harlem all day, every day. And I will see you guys in the next video because I look bomb as fuck and I'm ready to go out. Okay, bye.